was within 50, it was on my left. Jesus. Oh. Whoa. Jesus. I'm getting my arms back inside this window. Hope this car's tyres work to earth this shit out if I get hit. Okay, I have pains in my fingers and in my joints currently. Could be caused from the electricity on the ground. There's a massive, strong electrical field currently in this area between the rain curtain and the CGs. The CGs are on the other side of me. I can feel an electrical current. Currently I've got Carrara and Warwick punched into the tom-tom so that I can have a quick exit. If anything happens, I... Shit! Need to loosen my grip on the camera. Choking it. That's behind me. Okay, the CGs have returned just here. The CGs are in a very particular area at the base of the thunderstorm, either side of that area, and it doesn't produce. It's right on the edge of like the wall cloud.